only one edge is common, E5. So we write E5. That is the graph. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you tell me this is connected graph or not? Yes, it is connected. Hello, this is
Yes,
connected.
sir.
No, G1 intersection G2 कहाँ connected है?
Yeah, I like नहीं है sir connected.
Not connected. Okay. So that means intersection of two connected graph may not be connected. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because these two graphs are connected graph. Okay, fine. Now see vertex deletion. What is the meaning of vertex deletion? Vertex deletion. You see, if Vi is a vertex in a graph G, in a graph G is equal to VE. Okay, then vertex deletion, whenever we delete one vertex from the graph, then G minus Vi denotes a graph, a subgraph of G minus Vi. Okay, of G obtained by removing V1 or deleting V1 Vi from G. Okay, so how we delete? So see here, we have a graph. So V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. Okay, fine. Now we delete graph, delete a vertex, deletion of vertex. This is graph G. Now we have G minus V1. So see G minus V1. So how we delete the graph? Delete the vertex. You see? So V1 we delete here. So V6, V5 and V4, and here we have V2 and V3. So V2, V3, V6, V5, V4. So deletion of the vertex means you delete the incidence
Sir,
edges
V4.
also. Incidence edges also. Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes,
V4, not V5.
V4. Okay, fine. So here, whenever we delete this vertex, that means we also delete this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Yes or no? All the edges which is incidence with V1 is we will delete. Okay, fine. So graph is now the graph is like this, and you see here it is also uh, okay, fine. Understand how we delete a vertex? Whenever we delete a vertex, we delete all the edges, incidence at that vertex. Understand? Okay. Same way, age deletion. Whenever we delete in age, so how we delete the age? Age deletion. You see, if EI is an age of a graph G is equal to VE, then G minus EI, G minus EI is a subgraph of G obtained by removing or deleting E1 EI from G. Okay, so now see one example. Suppose this is a graph. So we have V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. E1, E2, E7. Okay, so whenever we delete one edge, here we delete, suppose E1 edge. So what is this is your graph G. So what is the G minus E1? So we delete this edge. So we delete only this edge, not vertices here. So see, so this is equal to V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, E6, E5, E7, E4 and E2 and E3. Understand? So this is the deletion, age deletion. Okay, fine. Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now we have fusion of a pair of vertices. Fusion of a pair of vertices. Fusion means whenever we merged or we merge two vertices at a one vertices. Okay, that is called fusion. So from we have two vertices, pair of vertices, and we in place of pair of vertices we have one vertex. So that is called fusion. Okay. So see, now with the example we will understand this thing. So see, here we have a graph suppose this is a graph and x, y and v1, v2 and v4 and v5, v3. Okay, these are the vertices. Here we fusion graph. Here we find the we apply the fusion of a pair of vertices x, y. Okay, so what is the graph? Graph G. This is your G graph. Graph G after fusion vertex of x and y. Okay, so here whenever here we in place of x, y we write one vertices. Okay, so see how to write. So first we write v1, v2 in place of x, y. Okay, suppose we fusion here in place of, so this is in place of x, y we write alternate pair x, y and we consider a vertex only. Understand? And v3 is there. Yes, fine. So now we here we get the name of edges also, E2 and E5, E7, E4, E6 and this is your E3 and this is your E1. Okay, so V4 is there, na? Clear? So see how to, so E, here we have one H, this is your E3, clear? E6, yes. Now see, E V1 EX is there, so this is your E7. So here we have E5 is already there and E7 is there. Hello? And V4 and V4 and X. So we have E1, so V4 ordered pair X, this new vertex. So this is your E1, yes or no? And XY we have E2. So E2 is here loop, yes or no? E4. Understand? So this is the graph G after fusion of vertices X and Y. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, now we will discuss some special type of graphs. So these are the operations. So some special type of graph here. Special graphs.
Sir, could you scroll up?
Sir, you wrote V3 above twice.
V3.
V3 and V3.
Okay. This is E3. Sorry.
E, right?
E3. Yeah, not V3. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see special graphs. So first is complete graph. Complete graph. Complete graph. Okay. So see what is the complete graph? A complete graph G. A complete graph G G is a simple graph. In which each pair of vertices are adjacent if a complete graph G has n vertices, then it will be denoted by Kn. Okay, if we have complete graph with n vertices, it is denoted by Kn, and it may be seen that Kn has n into n minus 1 by 2 edges and degree of each vertices is n minus 1. Understand? Degree of each vertex. Fine? Is n minus 1. Clear? So what is the complete graph? Complete graph with n vertices has n into n minus 1 edges and degree of each vertex is n minus 1. Understand? If a graph with n vertices and then number of edges must be n into n minus 1 and degree of each vertex is n minus 1. Then it is called complete graph. Okay, so in complete graph each pair of vertices are adjacent. Understand? So now we write some complete graph here. You see, this is a complete graph. So see, each pair of vertices are adjacent. Yes or no? Yes. And degree here n is equal to 3. So what is the degree of each vertex? N minus 1. Yes or no? 2. Okay. Number of edges n into n minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 3. Yes. So that is, it can represented by K3. N is equal to 3. Understand? Yes. Another graph is complete graph. Yes, this is complete graph or not? Hello? 1, 2, 3. Here we have 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hello? Yes. And degree of each vertex is n minus 1, 3. And number of edges, how many edges here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N into n minus 1. 4 into 4 minus 1. Yes or no? 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2. Yes? That is called
Yes, sir.
K4. Okay. Similarly, you see K5. K5 have 5 vertices and degree of each vertices is 4. Yes or no? So see, 5 vertices there and each pair of vertices are adjacent here. So first we join each vertices. Yes. And you see degree of each vertex is 4 here. Number of edges you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5. Okay, clear? So can you draw the figure for K6? Hello? Can you draw the figure for K6? Please tell me how to draw K6. Each vertex have degree 5.
Sir, done.
अच्छा ठीक है. See, each vertex have 5 degree. Yes. And total number of edges in this graph 6 into 6 minus 1 by 2, that is 15. Understand? So this is called K6. Now we have another type of graph, special graph, that is called regular graph. Regular graphs. A graph G is called regular if each vertex in G if each vertex in G has the same degree. Yes. So you see that complete graph is also regular graph. Yes or no? Because of each vertex have the same degree. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
If a graph G is regular with degree of vertex is equal to R, each vertex is equal to R, for each vertex V, in G, then G is called R regular. then G is called R regular graph. R regular graph. Okay, so clearly understand. Now we draw the graph, three regular graph. Three regular graph. Three regular graph. So that is means each vertex have degree 3. Yes or no? Yes, this is three regular graph or not? Because each vertex have degree 3. Hello? Hello? Yes? And you see,
Yes, sir.
this is not complete graph. Yes or no? Because each pair of vertex have no, each pair of vertex is not adjacent. Yes or no? So this vertex and this vertex is not joined. Yes or no? Yes. So a complete graph is always regular, but converse is not true. Yes or no? Hello? Yes,
Yes, sir.
okay. So now we have uh, 5 minutes break. After break, I will explain some another graphs. Okay, fine. Welcome back. Hello. Now Peterson graph I am discussing. Another special graph is Peterson graph. Peterson graph. Okay. You see a three regular graph.
So you're not sharing your screen.
Okay.
Thank you.
One minute. A Peterson graph is there. A three regular graph. A three regular graph shown in the figure. In the following figure is known as Peterson graph. So it is this graph is three regular graph. Okay. So see, and this is some special type of graph. So this type of graph is called Peterson graph. You see. Yes. So this type graph is called Peterson graph. Please remember this. It is three regular graph. What is the meaning? Each vertex have the 3 degree. Have the 3 degree. Yes or no? How many edges here? How many vertex? 10. How many edges? 1. So each vertex have 3 degree. So 10. So 30. Yes or no? 30 edges is there? Not 30. 30 how many होंगे?
15.
Yes. 15 edges is there. Because count it twice na. Whenever we multiple by 3. Yes or no? N into degree. We multiple by 3 and each vertex have the same degree. So divide by 2 also. Yes or no? So 15 is there. This is called Peterson graph. Now we move to another type of graph that is called cyclic graph, path graph and wheel. Cycle graph, path graph and wheel. So see, A connected two regular graph is called a cyclic graph. A cycle graph is called a cycle graph. A connected two regular graph is called cycle graph. We denote the cycle graph graph with n vertices by Cn. Cycle graph is also called circuit graph. Okay, cycle graph is also called circuit graph. You see what is the cyclic graph? The cycle graph here we write the cycle graph with 6 vertices. Okay, so this is called C6. Yes or no? So each vertex have 2 degree. This is 2 regular graph. Each vertex have 2 degree, and there are 6 vertices. So we denoted C6. Yes. So next definition, the graph obtained from cyclic graph Cn by not cycle. Okay, cycle graph Cn by removing an edge is called path graph. Okay, so what is the path graph? Whenever we remove one edge here. Okay, so see, two, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, here one edge we remove, then we have this is path graph with 6 vertices. A cyclic graph from a cycle graph, whenever we remove one edge, okay, so that is called path graph. Okay, and it is denoted by Pn. Next definition, you see, the graph obtained from Cn-1 cycle graph with n-1 vertices by joining each vertex to a new vertex V. Vertex V is called the wheel. With n vertices. The wheel with n vertices is denoted by Wn. Okay, so a graph obtained from n minus 1 cyclic graph, okay, Cn minus 1, by adding a vertex such that each vertex is joining that new vertex, okay, that is called wheel graph. You see, so this is C5, yes or no? Whenever add with this, this is cyclic graph with 5 vertex, yes or no? And whenever we have a extra, we add a vertex V here, and we join each vertex with new vertex, then it is called, now it becomes as wheel graph, yes or no? So that is called W6. Clear? So for wheel, what we do? So we write in circular form. Try to write as circular form. You see? So in place of all the edges, we write as circular form. So see? So here we write. In this way we write. Yes? Hello? So this is called wheel graph. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you see bipartite graph. Bipartite graphs. A graph G is equal to VE is called bipartite if its vertex set if its vertex can be decomposed into two disjoint subsets, two disjoint subset V1 and V2 such that every edge of in G such that every edge in G joining a vertex in V1 with a vertex V2. Okay, so see bipartite graph. Whenever we a graph we have and we divide the set of vertex into two non two disjoint subset. Sorry, whenever we bipartite, when we decompose the set of vertex into two disjoint set. Okay, so see here, and such that the each such that every edge in G joining a vertex in V1 with a vertex V2. So whatever edge is there, then every edge is one end in V1 and then another end in V2. So see, this is your V1 set, this is your V2. Then whenever we have this type of graph, yes, do you understand? So that type graph is called bipartite graph. Hello? So in other words, G, V or E graph G is bipartite if V can be written as the union of disjoint sets V1 and V2, so that no two member of V1 V2 no two member of V1 and V2 are adjacent. No two member of V1 and V2 are adjacent. Okay, then it is called bipartite graph. Okay, fine. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one is complete bipartite graph. So that we'll discuss in next class. Okay? Complete bipartite graph. Okay? So that we'll discuss in next class. I will share this file. Only definition all today I will explain. Fine?
Sir,
Yes?
sir, in the midterm, we will have complete 3 modules, right?
Not complete 3 module.
Only
2.5.
2.5.
Up to last class. Okay?
So set theory, Boolean algebra first, predicate calculus second, and fundamentals of graph only half of it. Can you
Yes.
explain till which topic?
Isomorphism up to isomorphism.
Okay.
Okay, up to isomorphism and complete connected graph.
Graphs and introduction. Yeah.
Introduction, connected graph. Last class, up to last class. Whatever
Okay.
discuss up to last class, that is the syllabus.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now you can leave the class. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, well.